So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is again Barbie Chatterjee with you guys, and as you have seen the topic already, this video is about the Mother Sparsh baby care baby wipes. So I've got this big bag, and this bag was sent to me by Mother Sparsh for reviewing. This is not at all a sponsored video, let me mention you guys. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll leave a link. I'll be putting down, or somewhere I will leave a link in the description box, as well as I'll mention my ID somewhere over here in the screen. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, then do subscribe by clicking on that red button, and also press the tiny notification bell button below, so that you don't miss any of my videos and you can stay tuned to my channel. And yeah, without further ado, let's dive on to the video. As you already saw in the demo video how this wipe removes your makeup and stuff, these wipes are really great, because yeah, and I got this bag from Mother Sparsh again. So these wipes are really great. They come you in handy. They so this is how the packaging looks like. This is a kind of a blue and white packaging, and this is 98% water wipes, which is a great deal. Of course it will not harm your skin, and this is again skin friendly, 100% viscose fabric. It is free from parabens and alcohol free, hypoallergic and pH balanced. So these are definitely good for kids, definitely good for babies. I've also tried this on babies. This is definitely good for babies. And you know, the slight fragrance this has, it just soothes and refreshes your face. I just love the fragrance of these wipes. It's so calming. It feels so calming when you apply it on the face. And yeah, these also don't cost much. These just cost 175 rupees. The actual MRP is 195, but this is a 20 rupees discount package, as you can see. So you are getting this for 175 rupees. So they don't contain paraben, alcohol. It's hypoallergic, pH balance. What else do you need? So these are very refreshing. These can just remove your makeup. Yeah, if your makeup is, you know, waterproof, and yeah, they cannot remove the waterproof makeup, but your normal makeup, they can just remove your normal makeup. And it prevents diaper rashes for babies also. So for facial wipes, and both for babies, this is a great choice. And again, this is also on a very affordable side. Each wipe costs you kind of 2 or 3 rupees. Damn, it's so affordable, because I have seen I buy wipes for myself which are kind of 5 rupees per piece, 9 rupees per piece, 10 rupees per piece. So they are so damn expensive, and this is so affordable. I'll leave a link down in the description box below, so if you want to purchase this wipe, you can definitely go for it. I would definitely suggest you to buy these wipes, as these wipes are so skin friendly. They feel so soothing on the face. I am in love with these wipes, because if this packet finishes, they have sent me 2 packets. So if the 2 packets get finished, then I'll definitely go and buy one, because these are affordable, plus they are alcohol free, plus they're parabens free. This has no cons, no bad qualities. And I guess that this is also good for sensitive skin, as this is for babies. This can also be used by sensitive skin people, so you don't have an issue. And for oily skin people, you regularly need wipes for your face, because your face gets oily from time to time. And those who sweat, I sweat a lot. You can just see me sweating, because I have to switch off the AC, but I can't switch off the fan because it's so hot right here in Bhubaneswar. So I'm just already sweating. So these wipes come so handy. I would definitely buy them again, and I will definitely recommend you that you should go for this wipes and buy this. So yeah, this was the end of the video, and stay tuned to my channel. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, then do subscribe on by clicking on the red button down there below, and also click on the notification bell button. And yeah, if you like the video, then press the like and also comment on below and share it with your friends. If you want any kind of different video, you can just comment on below and I'll be doing it. So ta-da, till then, bye bye and take care.